Here I am in Canvas, and I want to export a course. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my A2 here. And I'm going to look for settings right here. Click. Now that I'm in settings, I need to go over here where it says export course content. This is also how you import, but export. And then course or quizzes, I'm going to want the whole entire thing. So I'll go ahead and say create. Now you'll notice the export process has started. This can take a while for large courses. You can leave the page and you'll get an email when your export is complete. So I've definitely done that. It does work for larger courses. It's a great idea. And now my content has been exported. So let me go ahead and go to settings. I'm just going to go back to export. And here it is. It might pop up for you. Sometimes I have to refresh it. Or you could go directly to your email and you'll have an email, and I can just click on this. Now you might wonder, hey, what is this weird file thing? Right? Oh, you don't have anything that can open this. But let me see here. I have it over here. It's just the, right here, IMSCC file. It's important. You want to put it somewhere important. So mine came out to 7 megabytes. This is your actual course, and you can always just upload the course and then you can access the content there. It's not like a PDF of all the links or something like that. They keep it in the, in the Canvas form. So you'll need to go back into Canvas and upload it to a course to access all of the content. And there's a few tutorials and information on Canvas itself on how to approach that. But ta-da, you saved everything, you exported it, congratulations.